Hey everyone, MKBAD here. Have you ever wanted to build your own app? I know it sounds like something only tech geniuses can do. But guess what? With the power of AI, anyone can build an app, even if you've never coded before. It's like having a super smart assistant that helps you every step of the way. No complicated code to learn, just simple tools and your imagination. Whether you want to create a game, a social media app, or a tool to solve a problem, AI makes it possible. Imagine your app idea coming to life right there on your phone. You can share it with your friends, family, and even the whole world. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. So, are you ready to unleash your inner app developer? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of AI-powered app development. AI is changing the game in app development, making it faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. Here's how. First, AI helps you build apps lightning fast. No more spending weeks or months writing code. AI tools provide pre-built blocks and templates so you can create your app in a fraction of the time. Second, you don't need to be a coding wizard. Low-code platforms powered by AI make app development visual and intuitive. It's like dragging and dropping pieces to build your dream app. Third, AI brings smart features to your fingertips. Think chatbots that can answer user questions, image recognition that brings your app to life, and personalized recommendations that keep users engaged. With AI, you can focus on what matters most, your app idea and creating an awesome user experience. Before you jump into building, let's take some time to plan your app. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Just ask yourself a few key questions. First, what problem will your app solve, or what need will it fulfill? Think about your own experiences and challenges. Maybe you want to create a fitness tracker, a language learning app, or a platform to connect local artists. Second, who is your target audience? Understanding your users is crucial. Are you targeting students, professionals, or a specific age group? This will help you tailor your app's design and features. Third, what are the essential features of your app? Start with the core functionalities that are absolutely necessary for your app to work. You can always add more features later. Remember, a well-defined app idea is the foundation for a successful app. So, take your time, brainstorm ideas, and get clear on what you want to create. Section 4. Choosing the right tools, FlutterFlow and Adalo. Now, let's talk tools. There are amazing AI-powered platforms that make app development a breeze. Two popular options are FlutterFlow and Adalo. FlutterFlow is a powerful tool that lets you build beautiful native-like apps for both iOS and Android. It's known for its flexibility and advanced features. Adalo is another great option, especially for beginners. It's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for creating simple apps quickly. For this example, we'll be using FlutterFlow because it gives us a bit more control over the design and allows us to integrate some cool AI features. But hey, both platforms are awesome and can help you bring your app idea to life. Section 5. Building your app, a step-by-step guide. With FlutterFlow, building your app is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Design your app. FlutterFlow provides a drag-and-drop interface where you can easily design each screen of your app. Choose from a variety of pre-built components like buttons, text fields, images, and more. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand and style. Step 2. Add functionality. Now it's time to bring your app to life. FlutterFlow allows you to add actions to your components. For example, you can make a button open a new screen, submit a form, or even trigger an AI-powered feature. Step 3. Integrate AI. This is where the magic happens. FlutterFlow integrates with powerful AI services like Google Cloud AI and Amazon Machine Learning. You can add features like chatbots, create a chatbot that can answer user questions, provide support, or even tell jokes. Image recognition allows users to upload images and get instant information. For example, you could create an app that identifies plant species or translates text from images. Personalized recommendations use AI to recommend products, services, or content based on user preferences. Section 6. Testing, polishing, and launching your masterpiece. You're almost there. Before you unleash your app to the world, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Try it out on different devices, ask friends and family for feedback, and make sure everything works smoothly. Pay attention to the user experience. Is your app easy to navigate? Is the design visually appealing? The goal is to create an app that is both functional and enjoyable to use. Once you're happy with your app, it's time to launch it. FlutterFlow makes it easy to publish your app on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Congratulations, you've officially become an app developer. Share your creation with the world and watch as people download and enjoy your app. Section 7. Your app-making adventure starts now. Building an app might have seemed like a distant dream, but with AI, it's now within your reach. No more excuses about not knowing how to code or not having enough time. The tools are available, and the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming your app idea today. Think about the problems you want to solve, the experiences you want to create, and the impact you want to make. The world needs your creativity and your vision. Your app-making adventure starts now.